Wechege mag Doho en ni Doho mamalo koro chungo kuom thuolo chik nindo mabende nyocha ne oket kanyendo kod duol mochung' ne neno ni chike mag apaya oluwo yor nendo makare manendo National Transport and Safety Authority machok NTSA mabende koro ne goyo kanyendo fwai derepe mag nyamburko kaachiel kod jogo eko mabende koro ne odhi ataro koda chike mag apaya fwai mabende koro ne igoyogi kanyo kaluwore koda bura nendo mabende koro ne ochwal e doho kanyendo koda riwruok ma ok mar piny owacho mong'ere kaka sheria mtaani e doho koro chungo ka gikwedo malich mokalo NTSA magiwacho ni mae oganda mapacho kende ratich mar mondo mi owinjgi e nyim doho. Oten gi kanyendo koda okil Danstan Omari mabende oyango ni jo Kenya duto nitiere koda ratiro mar mondo mi chwalgi e nyim doho kendo giduok penjo ma ok ni koro igoyo gi fwai oyaye piny mopogore opogore kendo kwedo ni okang' machalo kamano en mar mayo oganda jo Kenya.
As a litigation lawyer in that organization. So Sheria Mtaani, upon being instructed by members of society, petitioned the High Court sitting at Nairobi. And this morning, the High Court was pleased to grant orders in the form of conservatory orders, barring the NTSA from implementing the system, rolling it out, or in any manner imposing any fines whatsoever on any Kenyan with regards to the cameras and the systems that they had put up on highways. Reason being that this system was rolled out without consulting the law insofar as the rules that govern automated decision makers are concerned as under the Data Protection Act.
Press. Sheria Mtaani na Shadrack Wamboi is a non-governmental organization that promotes accountability, good public governance, and proper institutional governance. This is a non-governmental organization that purely has the interest of Kenyans at heart, and at this instance, the motorists at heart. Now, we lodged a three-pronged attack on the recently rolled out NTSA instant fine traffic systems, which saw the automation of instant fines. The first ambit or the first umbrella in which we lodged this petition under was Article 50 of the Constitution, which demands that every person has the right to a fair hearing and fair administrative action.
Under the laws of this republic, all prosecutorial processes are governed by the Criminal Procedure Code. The Criminal Procedure Code and the Constitution of Kenya mandates only the judiciary to impose fines. NTSA is an arm of the executive power of the state. The state cannot, through NTSA, impose fines. That is making the judiciary lose its mandate under the 2010 Constitution. Free. The mandate to prosecute anybody who has committed a traffic offense is a mandate of the Director of Public Prosecution under Article 157.